TPC Yasna Palana, are you ready for some Sinatra? Join us next Friday, June 20th, the first day of summer, from 6 to 9 p.m. Relax and enjoy our exquisite cuisine while taking a musical journey throughout Francis Albert Sinatra's illustrious career. There will be Rat Pack sightings, a touch of Ella, Tony, and Nat, a taste of Broadway, and many of the iconic tunes from the American Songbook. Join me, Barry Oliver Lawton, your host, and ring in this summer season with an evening of classic entertainment, elegant service, dancing, and fun. Let us know if you have a Sinatra favorite, and we will do our best to make it happen. Remember, make your reservations, and won't you come join us? Come join us, rain or shine.